Namaskar, welcome everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze and I am your instructor Neha. We are following a series of 30 days, 10 minutes yoga and you are on day 5. If you are following me from day 1, congratulations, today you are on your day 5. Always remember, consistency is the only key to a healthier life. Now, first things first, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family so that they can also take the maximum benefit out of it. And now we all will begin with the session. Please sit comfortably on your mat and we all will sit in Siddhasana. Please place your hands on your thighs, back gently straight and eyes closed. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Calm down. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes and your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Relax. Welcome back to the session everyone, and now we will begin with a little bit of warm up. Please start with neck rotation. Turn your head to right and left and similarly to up and down. Just loosen up your neck a little bit, and now we'll go for side bending. Stretch properly and to your left. Come back, go for twisting. Right and left. Center, loosen up your legs a little bit. Keep them in butterfly pose, sole of your feet joined together. And start flapping your knees. Loosen up your knees. Loosen up your hip joints. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Now straighten your legs. Open up your legs. Just rotate your toes a little bit. And relax. Calm down. Now we'll begin the session by coming to inverted dog position. Place both your palms firmly on the mat. Take your legs back and lift them up. This is your inverted dog, downward dog pose. Push your chest in. Try to touch your heels down. Lock your knees. Once you are settled into downward dog position, bend your knees a little bit and hold it just 1 inch above the mat. Do not touch it on the mat. Hold it 1 inch above the mat. Again, up, push your chest in, down and hold. Engage your core muscles. Observe your thighs, your core. Again, up, down, up, down. Make sure do not touch it down, okay? Continuous breathings. Take strength from your breath. As you go up, don't forget to push your chest in every time. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly place your knees down. Increase distance between your knees, hips on your heels, and relax in Shashankasana. Once you feel better, hold the hands under your shoulders, lift up. Sit in Vajrasana, take a breath in Vajrasana, relax yourself. Make sure we don't have to take a long pause in between the asanas, okay? It should be in continuation. A gentle pause of 5-10 seconds is okay, okay? Sure, let's continue. Now we'll come to our tabletop position. Place both your palms, spread out your fingers and check your position. Your shoulder and palms should be in one line. Hips and knees should be in one line, okay? This position is wrong. This position is also wrong, okay? Make sure that we are into correct position. Now, shoulder level distance between your hands, your knees and your feet. We'll start with cat and cow movement. Breathe in. Stretch your head, open your hips, tuck your toes. Breathe out, roll in. Breathe in, stretch up. Breathe out, roll in. Breathe in, stretch up. Breathe out, roll in. Continue in your own speed. Focus should be on your spine, on your breath. Sometimes we also close our eyes to feel the movement, you know. Yoga is all about enjoying your stretches. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now we have to stay in neutral position and continue with our movements. Now we will lift our right leg up like this. Take it forward, back, side, back. I am not touching my knee down. Taking it forward, back, side, back. Observe your crunch. Observe the movement in your hips. Now, speed is not important. Stability is important. Very nice. You all are going good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax and opposite. Now we'll repeat this with the left leg. Lift, take it forward and to your side. Forward and side. Five, out, 4, out, 3, out, 2, 1, out and relax. Now we'll come on our stomach. Place both your hands, elbows down, legs back, and come from your prone position. Let's relax here a bit in Makarasana. Place both your toes pointing out, heels inwards. Relax yourself. Let's continue. Now keep shoulder level distance between your legs. Toes should point out. Interlock your fingers and place it behind your head. Okay? Chin on the ground. Now as you breathe in, lift your head and shoulder up and down. In, out. Breathe in, breathe out. This way. Continue. Your feet should not leave the mat. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Again, relax in Makarasana, calm down. Focus on your breath. Once you feel your breathings are cooled down, you feel better, please turn to one side. Okay? And now lift yourself up and sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. With your eyes closed, focus only on your breath. Cool down your breathings, relax your body, relax your mind, calm down. Once you're ready, join your hands and chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis all together. Breathe in. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms, cup your eyes, open your eyes in your hands, rub your palms on your face, on your body. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed the session and you all are enjoying the series. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.